Anytime now, and the race is on. They leap in unison away from the gate. Tarzan, Maximus, Al Safira, Bondi Junction, Lake Manila, Dragon May rushing up, Tito Aru, Red Hot Raymond also moving up back to the front runner. Tarzan, Maximus, Red Hot Raymond, Tito Aru, Podolski. Bondi Junction is running in fifth by the rushing up Mick Automatic. Dragon May racing in 7th position. 8 belongs to Simply Believe. Be Cool running in 9th position. 10 belongs to Al Safira. Boy Pickup racing in 11th position. 12 Lake Camera, Por Favor. And Appraisal is running at the tail of the field. Tarzan, Maximus by about 2 lines. Podolski, Simply Believe, Bondi Junction, Make Automatic, Dragon May as they race about corner. Tarzan, Maximus, Bondi Junction, Simply Believe. It's still Tarzan, Maximus. Still the leader. Bondi Junction, Simply Believe, Make Automatic, Tarzan, Maximus, still the leader. And finally, Tarzan, Maximus, Bondi Junction, Simply Believe, Dragon May close with Mick Automatic, Be Cool, and Podolski.